I'm gonna turn on the water.
Let's go! Hurry up before it runs out.
Before what burned out?
My phone. Before it like
I swear to God, I was like, that's like run out.
more.
Dude, you just like barely lit it.
Hello,
Hold on, you
Brianna.
guys. Technical difficulties.
Oh my God! Light it right there. That way.
Like when my mom walks in. Whoa, the smoke's coming out from the underneath.
Isn't that cool?
Whoa,
I told you I knew my stuff.
it's actually really cool.
That smells really good.
Here. Let me light it.
I bet the fire alarm's gonna go off.
Where's that? Right above my head.
That's a light.
I don't even know where it is. Right there.
That's a sprinkler.
Yeah, well, if fire catches it.
Hurry up before it runs out.
It's like riveting the whole thing. To be more vigorous.